So let me just say that I've been blown away, absolutely blown away by school. This platform is really incredible. So we're taking the songwriting journey, we're taking the songwriting course, the melody experiment, we're putting it on here. And in school, we not only have the course, we not only have the modules available, just like we did on the website, and on the platform that we were using there, but now we also have the forum, we have the chat, private chat for all the members inside of the course. And that is an amazing thing. This is a huge advantage of being on school. Okay, so now you guys, not only will you have access to the full course, and by the way, I feel like that platform of where the course is a lot more user friendly and a lot easier to use and navigate and visually see all the different modules. But not only that, but now with a click of a button right on the top there, you've got the feed, you've got the chat, right? And so we can just jump from the module, from a lesson, get onto the chat, any kind of question, any kind of issue, or some kind of an idea, and just put it in there. Start a post, put it in there. It's pretty cool. And that's that's a game changer, okay, from your regular website, the regular thing that we've been doing so far. So guys, jump in there, check it out. Too easy. I'll see you on the inside.